How to use verbs in the negative form to invite someone to do something.
よかったら僕たちと一緒に来ませんか?
So in Japanese, you can actually end a sentence in the negative form as a way of soliciting an invitation for someone to do something, very similar to the English won't you. So the most common way you'll see this being used, especially in textbooks, is with the polite negative in a question, masenka. So this is just the mas form put in the negative, masen with the ka question particle. So like here, won't you come along with us? Ishoni kimasenka? So won't you come? Here, inviting someone to come. Won't you come? Kimasenka?
よかったら僕たちと一緒に来ませんか?
So this is a very common way to invite someone to do something, like won't you go together with me?
これから孫悟空さんを出迎えに行きます。一緒に行きませんか?
Or won't you chat a little? So here inviting the listener to have a bit of a chat.
ボルグさん、せっかく会えた。少し話しませんか?
If you wanted to still be polite, but just a little bit more casual, you can actually drop the ka question particle. So it could just be masen, won't you? So like here, won't you have dinner together with me?
今晩お食事ご一緒しません?
And so we've seen how it can be used in the polite form, but this is also true for casual Japanese as well. You can ask a question with any verb in the negative form to kind of invite someone to do something. Like here in Persona, won't you eat something? So, gohan demo tabenai. So here the speaker is kind of inviting the listener to eat something. Won't you eat something?
もう時間も時間だし、どこかでご飯でも食べない?
Or won't you come too? Ishoni konai?
そうだ、お姉ちゃんも一緒に来ない?
じゃあ俺のことを個人的に応援に来ない?
Or won't you go to the park? Koen ikanai?
ありがとう、ザックス。大切にするね。
あ
ねえ、まだ時間ある?
なくもないけど。
公園行かない?
お、なんかデートっぽいな。
But just be careful in casual speech. When you add the ka particle in casual Japanese, it actually makes it a very direct question. This is not something that's commonly used in everyday life, but it is something that you'll see used a lot in video games and anime and stuff like that. So this is a very strong, direct way of kind of suggesting someone do something. So, won't you go together? Ishoni ikanai ka? So when you're speaking casual Japanese, make sure to not include the ka question particle when you're speaking in casual Japanese. So you can just finish with the negative. If you add the ka question particle, it makes it a bit too strong.
一緒に行かないか?
俺と一緒に来ないか?
So there you have it. You can use a verb in the negative form to invite someone to do an action, like a suggestion. So if we have a look at the verb nomu, to drink, the polite way of asking, won't you have a drink, would be nomimasen ka? This is very polite. You could speak polite casual, so you're still being polite, but you're just being a bit more casual. You could say nomimasen. If you just want to speak in casual Japanese, so you're no longer speaking politely, you could just say nomanai, won't you have a drink? But be very careful in casual Japanese, do not add the ka at the end, because this makes it a very strong, direct question. Like, hey, won't you have a drink? This is something you're more likely to see in media and not likely to use in real life. So same thing with to eat, taberu, tabemasen ka? Won't you have something to eat? Tabemasen, a bit more polite and casual. Tabenai, in casual speech, or very strong and direct, tabenai ka? Won't you have something to eat? So hopefully this video helped you learn how you can use the nai form of verbs to invite some sort of action, to kind of suggest someone do something. Won't you? So what I'm going to do now is leave you with a quick review test going over some of the examples that we saw in this video. It's not too difficult, it's just there to help reinforce the language and also help you get a little bit more Japanese listening practice. Thanks so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you really enjoy these videos, then consider coming supporting the channel either directly through the Game Going Go website or through Patreon. Not only do you help support the channel, it's the only reason I'm able to make these videos, but you also get help with Japanese. You can ask questions whenever you want. We have study clubs, people sometimes hang out in streams and chat. You can even chat directly with me any time of the day, as well as vote on upcoming videos. So thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya guys.
よかったら僕たちと一緒に来ませんか?
もう時間も時間だし、 どこかでご飯でも食べない？そうだ、お姉ちゃんも一緒に来ない？
じゃあ俺のことを個人的に応援に来ない？
ありがとうザックス、大切にするね。
あ
ねえ、まだ時間ある？
あ、なくもないけど。
公園行かない？
お、なんかデートっぽいな。
一緒に行かないか？俺と一緒に来ないか？
今晩お食事ご一緒しません？
これから孫悟空さんを出迎えに行きます。一緒に行きませんか？
ボルグさん？
せっかく会えた。少し話しませんか？